Welcome to the Wheel of Horrible Drinks. I've made a lot of these in my lifetime over the past 41 years working bar, and I just thought I'd like to pass these horrible drinks on to you. Let's give it a spin, okay? Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, Papa needs a new pair of shoes. Yeah, roll those dice. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, smoker's cough. Whew. Okay. Let's make a smoker's cough. Smoker's cough. If you don't have a smoker's cough already, you'll probably get one with this drink. This one requires Jägermeister. And we're gonna go for an ounce here. And mayonnaise. Oh my God, who thinks of this stuff? These are real drinks, people. They're just wrong. And this is organic mayonnaise. Like it matters. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think somebody else should drink these. Oh yeah. I guess the mayo is supposed to be kind of like the phlegm, I guess. I don't know. Oh my God. Really? Okay. Let's, oh my God. You know, this is probably going to kill my taste buds for future episodes. Man. Maybe you should have a smoke. That might help it wash it down. All right, let's... This is hard. I can't do it. Mayonnaise is not just for sandwiches anymore. See you next time. That wasn't fun. Thanks for watching. Check out some more of BarTalk&Cocktails. See you next time.